Hello, and welcome back to my 30 videos in 30 day series. Today, I make a Marquee Cactus. If you'd like to see how it's done, please stick around. My daughter asked me to make her a cactus for her friend's golden birthday. I asked her what kind of cactus. She said, I don't care. She likes cactuses. Make something. First thing I thought of was Tim Sway's Battle of El Saguaro. So I watched his video for inspiration and decided that I should make a cactus like the ones in this video. His cactuses are made out of steel. I made mine out of MDF and aluminum flashing. Inspiration for this project fully came from Tim Sway. Not only inspiration for the project, I used a set of lights that have been chewed in half by my snowblower. So I even used a set of reclaimed lights to keep it as sway as possible. The music that you're going to hear in this video is written and performed by Tim Sway. Seems like I'm saying his name a lot in this. Thank you for inspiring me, Tim. Thank you for being the maker that you are and for making and using the reclaimed materials that you do. I hope you like this video.
But something was missing. I had no music for the show, so I wrote this silly song, and it's called The Ballad of El Saguaro. I was born in old Sonora, at least 100 years ago. I'm a prickly SOB, and I'm awful slow to grow. The Sarah called me homie, and my fruit is sweet as wine. But if you cross me the wrong way, I'll send shivers down your spine. El Saguaro, that's my name. I'm the king of Arizona, in the Mexican North Plains. El Saguaro, that's my name. And all those other cacti, I'm putting them to shame. It's hot here in the desert, and I work up quite a thirst. But when the rains do come, I drink for all I'm worth. I can absorb 200 gallons in one big old rainfall, and my sides will swell to hold them in, and my spines protect them all. El Saguaro, that's my name. I'm the king of Arizona and the Mexican North Plains. El Saguaro, that's my name. And all those other cacti, I'm putting them to shame. My scientific name honors Andrew Carnegie. Sometimes I just grow straight, sometimes in armor 3. Too bad if I'm in your way, cause you can't cut me down. I'm protected by state law, so you best just go around. El Saguaro, that's my name. I'm the king of Arizona, in the Mexican North Plains. El Saguaro, that's my name. And all the other cacti, I'm putting them to shame. Kind of like a symbol of the great American West, but I only grow in one small part, and the rest don't pass the test. When you see me on a label for taco sauce and shells, or in a Texas movie, this is my living hell. El Saguaro, that's my name. I'm the king of Arizona and the Mexican North Plains. El Saguaro, that's my name. And all the other cacti, I'm putting them to shame. The neck on this guitar is kind of like a ski slope. It's best if I just stay on the first couple frets. Where were we? I'm food and water and shelter. Desert dwellers know the rules. And my spines are used for sewing, and my ribs are used for tools. birds build nests inside me, and bats and bees will pollinate. The nest becomes Saguaro, boom, Houston is the name. El Saguaro, that's my name. I'm the king of Arizona, the Mexican North Plains. El Saguaro, that's my name. And all those other cacti, I'm putting them to shame. Found this useful and maybe a little bit fun, but I'm gonna try and keep the whole thing short because for now I gotta run. This video is a little bit different. It's part book report, part song, and if you like it, you can help me out and support my Patreon. El Saguaro, that's my name. I'm the king of Arizona, the Mexican North Plains. El Saguaro, that's my name. And all those other cacti, I'm putting them to shit body. El Saguaro, that's my name. I'm the king of Arizona, the Mexican North Plains. El Saguaro, that's my name. And all those other cacti, I'm putting them to shame. Yeah, all those other cacti, I'm putting them to shame. And all those other cacti, I'm putting them to shame.
Thank you for watching my video, and thank you Tim Sway for letting me use your music in my video. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. And until next time, peace.